Hello and welcome to the Falcon 1200 watt power station. This is a great product for when you want to do a bit of camping and there is no power, there's no electricity. It is a complete solution giving three forms of power: 12 volt power, USB power and mains electricity. Now sometimes we go to a campsite, it might have toilets and showers, it might be a CL site, but there's no electricity. Hair dryers, toasters, microwaves, kettles, we can't use. Now we can with this. This has a 1200 watt pure sine wave inverter built inside, which can take up a peak power up to 2400. So one appliance at a time is fine. So now we can put the kettle on. A 1200 watt unit will then cope with a travel kettle at 700 watt or 1000 watt or a hairdryer at 1200 watt. It can also operate a microwave at 850, 900 watt. As long as it's under 1200 watt, this power station will power. A coffee machine or charging up electric bikes. You now have the means to have power where there is no power. But this unit just doesn't do electricity, it also does USB sockets. These USB sockets, there's two types. You've got your A type and you've got your C type, and you've got three of each. So you can plug your devices in like your smartphones or your tablets, your headphones. Any item that powers up on a USB, you can now charge them through the power station. You've also got 12 volt sockets over here as well. So this could be good for your cool box or your television. You've also got other 12 volt sockets like these as well, which you could use for lighting in the awning. Talking about the awning, this is great for you to take into the awning where there is no power, and rather than taking cables from the caravan or for the motorhome, taking them outside, this one unit, and it only weighs 13 kilos as well. So it's not heavy, but everything is self-contained. So you can now take this out in the awning, maybe have it on the table or underneath the table. You could sit your television on the top if you wanted to, plug it in here and potentially keep the cool box cold, so you've got cold beer and football to watch or whatever you want to watch. But it gives you portable power, whether it's in the awning or in your caravan or your motorhome. Now giving you that missing form of energy that we become accustomed to when we're camping on grid, but now we're off grid, but we've still got our electricity. No installation is required. Simple, out, in, plug and play. So when you sell your van, you've still got your asset. Or should you have a power cut at home, then of course you can take it inside the house and still be able to put the kettle on. Mobile power. Now, to put energy back into the unit, we can do it three ways. We can charge it through electricity before we go camping. All the cables are included. So with that then, it's fully charged. Or alternatively, we can charge it whilst we're driving on 12 volts. So you can use your cigarette adapter on the motorhome or the caravan or the car to be charging this whilst driving to your destination. You can also charge it with a solar system. Now we have a full portable range of solar, 130 watts or 270 watt, and they're very lightweight as well, and those solar panels can then put back in what you're taking out, so it's recharging it whilst you're camping. Alternatively, if you've already got a fitted solar system on the roof of the van, Falcon have also got a fitting solution which will allow you to connect this to your existing system. So now you can use what you've already got to put power back in. So one way or the other, putting power back in off the grid, whilst driving or when camping, it's complete. It's also got a wireless charger on the top. So literally you can pop your phone on here and then you can put your phone on the top and it can be charging wirelessly, like so. So whilst we are using our power station, based on what we're using here, we have a very simple display to follow. We're currently showing we've got 99% of stored energy in the battery. And currently all we are doing is we are charging our smartphone. So we could charge our smartphone here for 34.5 hours. Now, should we want to turn on the power inverter, we can then turn the power inverter, which is on now. This is a 1200 watt hairdryer. It's a travel hairdryer, but this will demonstrate how the power station can support an appliance up to 1200 watts. So if you look at your appliances that you'd like to take with you, have a look at the power requirement of that appliance, and that will confirm whether you can use it on the power station or not. So plug it in like so. With the inverter turned on already, AC, we can now turn on the hairdryer, and we can now see on the hairdryer we are drawing 1100, and it's saying we can dry our hair for 3.9 hours. But of course, that's not something we need for that time. So basically, 5 minutes later, the hairdryer is turned off, and then we are using the power station, whether it be for watching television or whether it be for charging our devices. Simple product, no installation required. Transfer it from one vehicle to the next. Sell your van, move it to your new van. Problem with power at home, use it in the house. So the information it comes with is simple to follow. It tells you what energy you've got stored, it tells you what you're taking at that time and how long your battery is going to last for whilst you're using that particular appliance. Now, should it be the case you've used or you're using too many appliances, it will reset itself. So it's got its own self-protection system here, just in case you've got two appliances here and you've gone over the threshold of 1200 watt. It will automatically switch itself off in order to protect itself. Then turn the power off, turn it back on again, and then you'll be able to resume using it, but it's all self-protected. Round the back of the power station, it has a light, and that can be bright white, warm white, or SOS light. Just operate it simply by pressing this button here. The power station itself has a built-in 50 amp battery. Should you wish to have more stored power, you can add the expansion unit. This again has an additional 50 amp hour. So now connected together as one, now we have 100 amp of stored power. Simple to connect, so again, minimal installation, plug and play. If you want, you can add more than one. It has ins and outs on the other battery pack, so you can stack them up for as many as you'd like. We have two portable solar systems. Both are lightweight. One is 130 watt and the other is 270 watt. Simple installation. So with the solar panel now connected, on the display you can see currently we are putting in 180 watt of power from our solar, and the time left to charge is until full 7 minutes. We're now putting power in 98%, it's gone up from 97. It's busy charging away. So we're putting energy back in at the same time as using it as well. So make, store, use. Life made easy by Falcon.